everybody, my name is Stephanie and I am the Youth Services Librarian at the Greenwich branch of the Gloucester County Library System. And today I'm going to show you how to make some really easy homemade donuts. If you're like me and you're really craving Krispy Kreme or Dunkin' Donuts and just want to go out and get them but can't, this is a nice alternative to that. And it's really easy. So all you need is some Grands, biscuits, and some oil, and then a little small thing to make a hole in the middle of your donuts. This is like a little bottle cap. So I think like a soda bottle cap, or in this case, I used a almond milk bottle cup. And then anything you want to put on your donuts as a topping. So cinnamon sugar is probably the easiest one, since everyone basically has a little bit of sugar and cinnamon at their house, or most people do. You can also do frosting, whatever. So these are the ingredients that you need. Okay, so what you're going to do is open your can of biscuits and then put them on a tray, like so. And then you're going to take your little bottle cap and basically just put a hole in the middle. So you're going to take it like this, put a hole in the middle, and just push through until it gets to the other side. And here's your little donut. And if you want to save the little pieces to make like little munchkins, you can do that too. So just do them with all of your donuts. Okay, so now that we have our donuts prepped, you're going to need a large deep skillet, or if any of you have a deep fryer, you can use that too. I only have a large deep skillet, so that's what we're going with. And some oil. I use canola oil. Vegetable oil probably works just fine. It's probably a healthier option. So what you'll do is take your donuts and place it in, and you want to fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes until they turn golden brown, and then you're going to flip them. So it might take a little bit for your pan to heat up, and you don't want it to be too crowded in the pan either, because then they get stuck together and you're trying to fry it apart and it's really hot. And so you'll just fry them for 1 to 2 minutes until they're golden brown, and then you'll take them out and put them on a sheet to dry. And then after we're done frying our donuts, we will decorate them. After you finished frying your donuts, you're going to pat them dry because they're still going to be a little bit oily. And now the fun part is to decorate them. So I have some cinnamon sugar and melted butter. So what you're going to do is dip your donut in the butter. And then you're going to dip it in the cinnamon sugar. Put as much as you want on. And if you're doing any other topping, like icing, just do one side. Or you can do the whole thing. And then put it on here to dry. And then finish with the rest of them. Other ideas could be to put some icing on top of your donuts, and then your kids could sprinkle them on. You can also do some kind of jam on top. You can experiment with different spices, not use cinnamon sugar, maybe cinnamon and cocoa or anything else. And then you get to eat them. So if you guys are planning on making your homemade donuts and would like to share with us, you can tag us on Facebook or tag us on Instagram at GCLibS. And I want to thank you guys for coming and joining with me today, and I hope your donuts taste great. Okay, bye.